So this video on making an In-N-Out burger got over 2 million views on TikTok. Y'all really enjoy when I make fast food. So I figure I'm just gonna continue this series on creating fast foods at home. So we're gonna try, with potatoes of course. Next up is McDonald's. We're gonna make McDonald's hash browns. Okay, now welcome back to the kitchen. The kitchen in your phone or your computer, whatever you're watching on, whatever. So of course, hash browns, we're gonna start off with the potatoes, parchment paper, down on the board to make your life easier. And all I'm gonna do is just shred them up with a nice coarse grater here. So just go ahead and shred them all up with the skin on. Of course, make sure to wash them before. And then we're gonna cook them up. Okay guys, let me explain what's going on here real quick. So what we're doing is we're blanching off the potatoes here. We're not cooking them at too high of a heat. We're just gonna cook them off for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna release all those nice natural starches from the potato, so then it'll bind together when it cools, and it's gonna make a way nicer product. So just go ahead and cook it off for about 2 to 3 minutes, blanching it on medium heat. Then we're gonna strain it off. Okay, now get yourself a sheet tray and put some plastic wrap all over that. We're gonna put our potatoes on this thing. So just lay it out evenly on the sheet tray, and then we're gonna cover that with more plastic wrap. So we're just gonna go ahead and cover this with more plastic wrap, and then we're gonna throw it in the fridge, put something heavy on top of it, and chill it. Okay, it's the next day. Take it out of the fridge. Now what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna take this out and we're gonna cut it into our desired shapes. I'm just gonna do little rectangles. I don't have an oval cutter, so I'm just gonna do little rectangles to sort of match the size of the McDonald's hash brown. I think I've changed my mind. I'm gonna use this circle cutter I have and kind of pinch it to make an oval, so I could just sort of match the shape of the McDonald's hash brown. Okay, I've got them all laid out on a sheet tray. I'm super happy with the way these look. They look just like the ones from McDonald's, okay? So yeah, you could go ahead and cut them like this if you have the cutter, use a knife, whatever. These already smell really good because it's just potatoes and butter. You can't go wrong. So we're gonna wanna put these in the freezer for about an hour or so just so they can stiffen up and they don't fall apart when we fry them. And of course, if you're cutting them with a ring mold, save the scraps, they're delicious too. Maybe make a egg brown hash, something like that, I don't know. Okay, these guys are fresh out of the freezer. They've stiffened up really nice and well, as you can see. I've just got canola oil in a pot at about 325 Fahrenheit. And now we're just gonna drop it in there. Okay, so fry them off until they're GBD, golden brown and delicious. Pull them out, season them with some flaky salt, and there you have it. That's how you make your own McDonald's hash browns at home. I mean, also you could cut them into squares or rectangles, whatever shape you want. This is just a fun way of doing it. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you're gonna make this, go ahead and tag me on your Instagram stories so I can repost them. Comment down below what other fast foods you'd like me to do, because I'm gonna do plenty more. Subscribe if you're new here, hit the bell, like the video, do all the things, and I'll see you in the next one.